Hello family, welcome back again to my channel. How are y'all doing? Thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Today I bring to you another delicious meal. Give this a try and I'm sure your family will love it and you will love it. That much time, why don't we get right on? I have shredded carrots, 1 red bell pepper, 1 orange, and 2 yellow green and these are the mini sweet peppers, 2 scotch bonnets, also known as habanero, and 1 whole onion, 2 potatoes, and these potatoes are very good. They are the velvety, sweet and buttery flavor, shrimp, and sardine. It's been, oh my god, it's been years since I've had sardine, and I just said it's been a long time, let me give this a try. So here we go. Trying to make something out of sardine. All right, then I have this broccoli, and this is called the sweet baby broccoli. My son made me buy this broccoli. Each time we go to the store, he's always asking me to buy this particular one. I don't know why. It's a little bit more expensive than the regular one, but it's called sweet baby broccoli. On this day, I guess he met my good side, so I bought it. Then I said, let me give this a try. So this is the regular one, the one that I'm used to. Maybe majority of you are used to this one as well. I don't know, but that is his aunt trying to play with the broccoli. So that is the regular one, so we're going to be trying that. And of course the main ingredient, and that is the couscous. This couscous has been cooked already, and I have 2 radish. To that I have a pot. This is the pot that I used to cook the couscous. Then I took it out and pour in a little bit of oil, and then we get cooked. All right. So in our pot I just added the shrimp. I went ahead to cut that into little pieces, and I put that into the pot to let that fry for just a little bit. Once it's fried, scoop out the shrimp and pour in your onions and let the onions saute for just a little bit. Add in your ginger, your nutmeg, and once that is being sauteed, put in your scotch bonnet pepper and let that also sit for a minute, and pour in your sardine. I did not use the oil of the sardine. I trust that. And then once the sardine is cooked for like 3 minutes, go ahead and pour in all of your ingredients.
Good cooking is good looking. Expand your scope of cooking. Esteri, Ayaba's kitchen. Learn how to make a yummy food. In Esteri, Ayaba's kitchen, everything is yummy, 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 yummy. In Esteri, Ayaba's kitchen, everything is yummy.
Once the ingredient is poured in, go ahead and close your pot and let it sit for 3 minutes, so that way the potato can be completely cooked. After 3 minutes, pour in your cooked couscous. Once you put in your cooked couscous, mix it together, cover it up to let it heat up. By this time, please turn off your stove and just leave it there for like a minute, and we're done. Voila! Our couscous is ready. Guys, if you're still watching me up to now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would really appreciate it and support me. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you for always coming back. And to my YouTubers, thank you very much. And yeah, it's a meal for each and every one of you. Oh, I forgot to tell you how the broccoli tastes like. Oh my goodness, the broccoli is so delicious, so sweet, and I love it. Go ahead and try the broccoli out as well. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.